certificate as well as the medal. For BSP, allow me to read the content of this certificate of participation. Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Central Luzon Region, Ramon Magsaysay Council, Iba Zambales. Certificate of participation presented to for having actively participated in the 29th BSP Provincial Jamboree held on 14-17 January 2010 at Zambales National High School in Sports Complex, Iba, Zambales. Signed, Perlita Cambalita Bata, Camp Chief, Scouts Division Superintendent, Council Scout Commissioner. Signed, Celio A. Alvarez, Council Chairman. Signed, Juanito A. Finato Jr., Council Scout Executive. So, we have Benzel E. Abadam. Semicolon, Benzel E. Abadam. Next, Giancarlo A. Abasta.